Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.7% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil production cuts by Russia and the OPEC have helped push Brent crude prices up some 10% over the past month to roughly $93 per barrel. JP Morgan's head of EMEA Energy Equity Research fears it's just the beginning of an era of higher prices. Bank of France head François Villeroy de Galhau, a governing council member of the European Central Bank, said that the spike in oil and fuel prices did not change the ECB's objective to bring inflation back towards 2% by 2025. The Canadian dollar edged lower against its US counterpart to end last week, but held on to a weekly gain as higher oil prices and the prospect of additional Bank of Canada interest rate hikes offset preliminary data showing that retail sales fell in August.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Expectations at 0800 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.